dare you, break you, take you. Now it's time to rhyme. Can you relate to a sister dope enough to make you holler and scream?
Hey, yo, let me take it from here, queen. Excuse me, but I think I'm about to get into precisely what I am about to do. I'm conversating to the folks who have no whatsoever clue. So listen very carefully as I break it down for you. Merrily, hyper, happy, overjoyed. Please, with all the beats and rhymes my sisters have employed. Look at who's throwing down the sound totally a yes. Let me state the position. Ladies first, yes?
Yes.
Here we go.
I say being a woman is great to see. I know that all the fellas out there will agree with me. Not for being one, but
Remember,
for
you're
being
in the
one.
front.
'Cause when it's time for
Trying to
loving,
see
it's the
the
woman
show.
that
You gotta sit down.
stepping, strutting,
So everybody in the back can
moving,
see.
rhyming, cutting, and not forgetting. We are the ones to give birth to the new generation of prophets, 'cause it's late.
I break into a lyrical freestyle. Grab the mic, look at the crowd and see smiles. 'Cause they see a woman standing up on her own too. Sloppy slouching is something I won't do. Some think that we can't flow. Stereotypes, they got to go. I'ma mess around and flip the scene into reverse.
With what?
With a little touch of ladies first.
Canada rocking the floor. Who's it gonna be? Oh, 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 oh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
give it up. All right,
Judges.
3, 2, 1. Aaron takes it.